Hello everybody. I'm just giving you a short little video on how to install the Raiden LED lights for your low beams. I had a couple problems with the pin connections not being correct. Made some modifications and now I have everything working. I did have to run a new constant 12 volt power supply to pin number 4 that you'll see here on the connector. Pin number 3, which is the ground right below the red, and pin number 2, which is my yellow wire for my low beams. The existing wiring for my low beams was the yellow and brown, and now before it said to hook the low beam under pin 1. Pin 4 was daytime running lights and pin 3 was ground. I had several problems trying to switch up and figure out which connection actually worked for mine. This is a Noble 2006 M400 and I already have power applied to my halos, which you can see in the picture. I will go ahead and turn on the low beam lights and you can get a reference for how bright they are. That is high beams, those are low beams. We do a very fantastic job lighting up. So hopefully this is helpful. The instructions that come with the headlights I followed and they did not work. I just needed to move my low beams from pin 1 to pin 2 for position. And hopefully that helps everybody else with Nobles to get their headlights up and working. I highly recommend them. They look awesome. And this is a view from the front, the low beams and the halos on. Hope you all like and enjoy. Thanks.